welcome to the first episode of our vacation. Woo! So we are at Arrow Lake today, and it's so smoky right now, but I'm just kind of enjoying the water right now, enjoying the breeze, because it's been hot all day long. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog. I'll see you guys soon in the next clip. I feel like every time I try to vlog outside, it's super windy.
Burning in me. All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. I've been high.
So today we are doing a little fishing day. Look at my pink fish.
Like this.
Okay. I'm fishing with my pink fishing rod today, and we just got out onto the water. It just started kind of raining, so that's fun. But you know, it's good for the forest fires out here. We're just gonna do a little bit of fishing today and tomorrow, and then we're going hiking on Thursday. So I'll have a hiking vlog for you guys then. And I'll see you guys in the next clip. This is like my first time being on this lake. This is Whatshan Lake in Edgewood, BC. Say hi, Smells.
Hello.
It's not even your face. Say hi, Smells.
Hello.
I'll see you guys in the next clip.
I found a picture we took many years ago, when I said to you we would never grow old. Messages I've saved that I never send, cause I don't know you, but I used to back then. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time.
Found yourself a way out of this small town. Got a place at school you didn't hang around. Every day you're all these years we pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time.
For the first time, in the back of your car, we passed out counting stars. Promise all these years we pack our things and disappear.
I never thought I would see you here.
Try to replace you with somebody out there.
If I didn't chase you, would you?
Hey guys, so this is, I think, our third day here. We are headed to Nakasp today and then to the waterfalls. There's like a waterfall here that's like 10 minutes away from where my aunt lives. So we're gonna head there, I think, after Nakasp or right before. So yeah, I was supposed to go hiking today, but that didn't happen. That didn't pan out the way I wanted it to, so that kind of sucks for me. But I actually got ready today and I look somewhat presentable for the first time in such a long time. So after this, we're headed to the Okanagan. Hopefully the forest fire smoke isn't too bad down there. We're gonna head to like Askew's, which is my favorite bakery slash grocery store, and then to Soyuz, and then probably the coast after that.
For BC gas prices,
It's $131.59 for gas. That's ridiculous.
that is like 30 some.
How much is it right here? Like 146?
150.
150. That is $1.50 per liter if you're American. That's expensive. I don't know where we're going right now. Maybe the waterfalls. Are we going to the waterfalls right now?
We should go to Nakasp first and then the waterfalls on the way home.
Okay.
Because
we'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, so I actually found this waterfall on an Instagram geotag when I was trying to geotag one of my posts the other day, and I was like, I need to find these waterfalls. They weren't on any maps, but we actually managed to find them, which is so cool. This is called Whatshan Falls, and just like the lake, Whatshan Lake, Whatshan Falls. But they were not where I was expecting them to be. So it was interesting to try to find this place, but it was worth a little hike down here. I think it was like a 15 minute walk down here. It's really cool. So we're gonna take some pictures and some videos of the falls and then head back to my auntie's house. I love how he says that he doesn't ever scramble, but did you guys just see that previous clip? I'm gonna go over there and take some photos also, but I didn't bring my hiking shoes, hiking poles, nothing. I have nothing with me other than my phone and my purse, so good luck to me because I'm in like really flimsy old Nike shoes right now.
The same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side.